Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We are joined again by Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show. Great to have you here.
Thank you.
You've had some just incredible recipes for us over the last several weeks, and you've got another great one for us today. What have you got?
Well, you know, do you like pumpkin pie?
I love pumpkin pie.
Well, for those people that love pumpkin pie, we have a pumpkin mousse. So it's like the filling of the pumpkin without the crust this time. Makes it an easy dessert to have, and really this is one you're going to want to keep in your recipe box and have all year long because it's such a quick, easy dessert. I've already made it up here, but what it is 1/3 cup of our soy cream cheese that we're going to blend with 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Pack that brown sugar, mix it until it's nice and creamy, and then we're going to add in 1 can of pumpkin. So this is pureed pumpkin with a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix that all together and you have this nice, creamy, airy recipe. And then to make it just a little more fluffy, I added whipping cream. So we're using a refrigerated frozen whipped topping today because it has a soy ingredient in it, but you could use any type of whipping cream, fold it in, and then to make this special topping, we're going to put some more on top. And then do you remember that we talked about those candied pumpkin spice nuts? Well, these nuts, I'll give you the recipe for it. It's 3/4 cup of our chopped pecans, 3/4 cup of chopped roasted salted soy nuts, and then we have sugar and 1 egg white that we've mixed together, 5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that together and then put it in the oven at 350. Bake it for about 10 minutes to start glazing it. Stir it and then bake it for another 10 minutes. But you've got a teaspoon of pumpkin pot spice in here too. And that gives it just a wonderful flavor. And then you're going to take about a tablespoon of it just to put on the top. Add that special decadent recipe. How does that look?
That looks amazing.
I'll let you try that there. And this particular recipe will actually make 6 servings that you can have. I would make it ahead of time where you can put it in the refrigerator and just make it nice and cold before you serve it. But it sure makes a wonderful mousse dessert. So if you're looking for a quick dessert to make for the holidays, this will work for even Christmas coming up.
Yeah, and that's perfect. I mean, and sometimes, you know, maybe you just want that pumpkin pie without the crust, and that's exactly what you're getting here.
That's right. We like to use pumpkin, and we kind of forget about it except in the fall and around the holidays.
Right.
But we have it available to us all year long, and it just makes a great, quick, easy recipe.
Yeah, it does. It certainly does. That is absolutely delicious. Well, if you'd like this recipe or the recipe for any of the fine things that we've made so far here on the KOAM Morning News with Charlene, you can go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com and you'll find all the information you need to know right there. Charlene, thanks again so much for coming in. It's just, I mean, these are amazing recipes you keep making, and I'm looking forward to future recipes as well. I know they're going to be absolutely incredible.
Thank you, Chris.
All right, we've got more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.